Try to figure out how to type like a professional typist. Well, in this video, I'll be sharing with you the ultimate guide to becoming a professional typist. Watch this video to the end for my best tips. Hi guys, welcome to AT Tech Hub. My name is Item. If you want the best tips, tricks and strategies to improve your tech knowledge, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and tick the bell icon to be notified so you don't miss any of my videos. To type like a professional typist, you need to practice using the software called Mavis Beacon Teaches Typing. This software gives you guides and instruction on how to type perfectly well. Let's dive into the software. Here I come to my start, and then I have my Mavis Beacon Teaches Typing here. Alright, so this is the Mavis Beacon Teaches Typing interface. All we have to do here is to create a user. So we click on new, head over to name, type in your name. The language you're using is English. Keyboard type, we have to select standard. Typing goal, let's leave it at 40 words per minute. Let's leave it there and click OK. Since we don't have a user, what we have to do is to click on the user and click on the OK button. Now here, this is the Mavis Beacon Teaches Typing class interface. Here we have Take a Lesson, Practice Arena, Typing Games, Custom Lesson Designers, Reports. Let's go and take a lesson. So we click on Take a Lesson. In this interface, you are going to follow the instruction given to you by Mavis Beacon. So the Mavis Beacon gives instruction on this call out. You read the instruction and you follow the instruction that has been given to you. So you read the instruction and follow suit. Now let's read the instruction here. She says, I am Mavis Beacon. Welcome to lesson area. To get started, I recommend we test your current typing level so I know where to place you in the course. Or, if you prefer, you can begin with the very first lesson. Since we are a beginner in typing, we don't have to test our typing speed. All we have to do is to click on First Beginner Lesson. Now here, Mavis Beacon is going to give us another instruction. Let's learn some new keys. Watch the guide hands below if you're unsure how to move your fingers. Try not to look at the keyboard. Soon, you'll be able to type any word you want. So this is instruction given to us by Mavis Beacon. All we have to do here is to click Start. Remember, you are not to look at your keyboard. So the guide says, try not to look at your keyboard. So if you want to become a professional typist and you want to improve your typing accuracy, try not to look at your own keyboard. Rather, if you're unsure of the letters or what you are typing, it's better to look at the visual keyboard displayed on the screen here. Now, if you look at the visual keyboard on the screen, you'll notice how the hands are being placed. This is exactly how you are going to place your fingers on your keyboard to get it right. You start with your little finger from A, S, D, F. Then your right little finger from colon L, K, J. Then you place your right and your left thumb on the space bar. Now you follow the instruction. Press the A key, you press the A key, press the S key, press the D. When you are done with the task, Mavis Beacon is going to give you a comment. Let's practice the key you have just learned by linking them in different ways. Get ready for key combinations. We click on Start. Then we place our fingers again and we continue typing. You see, Mavis Beacon tells us good job. So we have our accuracy 100%, typing speed 16 words per minute. We have 0 errors, adjusted speed 16, average word per minute. Now, when you look on the Mavis Beacon's screen, you can see the skill level. This is the beginner level, this is the intermediate level, and this is the advanced level. Now, if you want to be a professional typist, you aim for the advanced level, where you keep typing with good accuracy and good typing speed without errors. Mavis Beacon will keep promoting you to the next level. You get to the intermediate and you get to the advanced level. Now, your target is to get to the advanced level to become a professional typist. Remember how to place your hands. What makes you a professional typist is the ability to place your fingers on the right keys. Ability to place your fingers on the right keys and to be able to type with a high speed. Right here, we click on the Start. So you keep getting instructions from Mavis Beacon and you implement the instructions. If you follow this instruction accordingly, at the end of the day, you'll be able to type like a professional typist. These are my tips to type as a professional typist. Firstly, you need to follow the Mavis Beacon instructions. Secondly, try not to look at the keyboard. Thirdly, practice Mavis Beacon at least 30 minutes a day. Make sure you get to the advanced level. Those are my tips you could use to practice and become a professional typist. Now, if you get to a certain level, you can try other things like playing the Mavis game. So if you go to the Home tab, we have typing games. Click on it. So we have all these games here: Road Race, Pirate Race, Ride a Wave, and all the games you've seen here. So we can just click on any of them, place our fingers, and then we start typing. If this video has helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. That will help me to create more videos like this. Thank you for watching my video, and please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video like this.